Hi, my name is Austin Roberts. I'm one of the co-founders here at LogOX. And if you want to build a business that you can truly be proud of, from early on in the business, you have to set up a certain company ethos, things that you're going to do, things more importantly, I'd say that you're not going to do. And that has to be a list of non-negotiables. And for us, one of those non-negotiables was we are not going to exploit cheap labor overseas, lax environmental regulations, and all the kind of things that make overseas imports so cheap here in the market. And oftentimes that can be to the detriment of not only product safety, but also product quality. And so we're just not going to do that. So we make everything here in the United States. We're very proud of that fact. We've been doing it for the past 3 years, and we've been growing our business steadily. So we're proof positive that you can act ethically as a company. You can repatriate some of those lost manufacturing jobs from overseas and still be competitive. And we're very proud of that fact. So here's a video that one of our friends over on YouTube, Josh from Stoney Ridge Farm, took of one of our main manufacturing partners out in Warrensburg, Missouri, Swisher Incorporated. This is just a little highlight reel of that. You can see the full clip over on his YouTube channel at Stoney Ridge Farmer.
We're at the Swisher factory. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're gonna show you guys how the Swisher mowers are made and all sorts of stuff that Swisher makes right here in Warrensburg, Missouri with American workers and American steel. All right? Woo! This factory sources over 1 million pounds of American steel per year. Jack is welding up the LogOX. So they do contract manufacturing here too. You guys have seen the LogOX on my YouTube channel, and this is where they're made. Awesome, that's a big pile of LogOXs right there. What I think really rings true about Swisher, and the reason that we're here doing our American manufacturing video at Swisher, is that most of the products they make are handmade, just totally handmade. So real American workers building real American products out of real American steel. It just doesn't get any better than this, guys. Guys, this is Jack. Jack is one of the welders that's been here the longest at Swisher. How long have you been here?
27 years.
27 years. Can you imagine? People just don't stay at places for 27 years anymore, you know, maybe 27 months, you know it? Now, Jack says he has a cattle operation. How many head of cattle you running?
Probably about between 100 and 150.
100 and 150. On how many acres?
We run over about 450 acres.
450 acres. Awesome. Good stuff. This leads us into our next visit. We're going to Greg Judy's place. Pretty cool. You're building a LogOX today, right?
Yep.
Awesome. We're in the actual powder coating booth. This is Terry. Terry's the guy that does the powder coating. So what you have here is a series of hooks with an electromagnetic charge on them. Basically the powder is spread upon the material here, the steel, and this is a 44-inch rough cut deck. And then it goes through here to a room where it's cured. In other words, it's heated up and that powder is melted on. So powder coating is a whole lot better than paint. It's gonna last a whole lot longer. And Terry's getting the job done here. Awesome. And this is the Forestry pack for LogOX. These guys manufacture this, powder coat it, everything is done right here, and they actually ship from the factory right here. So in other words, they warehouse and build everything for LogOX right here. We have a LogOX on the farm. Austin and the LogOX family, they're just a great group of people. Folks, that's a Swisher factory. That's what's going on here in Warrensburg, Missouri. American workers building American products right here with American steel here in Warrensburg. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining me here on the Stoney Ridge Farm channel. Please pound that like button if you like this Made in America series. Jump in here, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you again. I hope to see you back on the farm soon, and we'll catch you next time on the Stoney Ridge Farm. All right? Woo!